Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can use this website, okay, to make money online. All right, this can help you make between $1 to $2 to $100 to $5, okay, depending on the task, okay, you're going to be completing. All right, now if this is your first time stopping by on my channel or watching my videos on YouTube, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make videos on make money online as well as entrepreneurship, my journey. I document all that on this channel. So if you like videos like this one you're watching right now and you don't want to miss out on them, okay, be sure to go down, hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon also. That way you get notified whenever I come up with any new videos so you don't miss out on anything. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments and I appreciate it if you give this video a like. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video and I'll be sharing with you guys this website, okay, a lot of people have been using over the years, all right, to make money online. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some proof, okay, and also some conversations some people are having online on how their experiences are on this particular platform, using this particular platform that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here today. Okay, so if you're super excited, let's dive right in and we'll be getting started. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to this website called UserTest. Okay, it's utest.com. All right, it's a testing platform. All right, I know many of you might be familiar with this, but for those of you who don't know, it's actually a testing platform that you can test out softwares and all those cool stuff. Okay, and how this platform basically works is that they tend to pay out, they tend to give you a particular task. It's more of like a survey. Okay, they tend to give you tax, okay, when you sign up to be a tester on their platform. It works more of like Userlytics or UserZoom also. All right, so they give you a particular tax, okay, to test out a particular software that is not yet on the market or a particular operating system. Okay, there are a bunch of things to test right here. You can see UTest by Applause is the #1 destination for freelancer software testing and feedbacks. Okay, so a lot of people who create their software will want to know what the public think about it and how effective or what people think about it actually. So they want to get feedbacks on the software, if it's good to use and all that. So maybe they can improve on it and all those cool stuff. So user testing provides that opportunity for software owners and all that. All right. So what we're going to be doing is actually signing up with this platform and also testing out various softwares. Okay, we're going to be completing some tasks so we can be paid. Okay, now just a while ago I received this email right here from UTest. All right, I've not actually gotten a message from them for a long time. Okay, UTest special requirements survey. All right, now when they have any potential tests for you, they are going to be sending you an email. Okay, so with that email you can now click to participate for that particular survey. You see, okay, you can see, hi Francis Abogonye, would you like to fill out a survey to determine if you're eligible for a test cycle with unique requirements? It looks like you're a potential match for a paid project at UTest. Okay, so once in a while when they have something for you, they're going to email you and you can participate. Okay, and every time you're going to be making money when you complete a paid survey, you can see, or a paid project. You can see right here they say paid project at your potential match for a paid project at UTest. Okay, so when I click here and participate for this, I'm also going to be getting paid. Okay, and you can see survey name, payment instruments and all that. You can see my demographic right here and a bunch of countries listed right here also. Okay, so what you can basically do is to come over to this platform and sign up for free. Okay, you want to sign up for free. It's actually free to sign up, and you can see what other people are saying once you visit this platform right here called utest.com. Hi everyone, just want to share my concern, a few days, blah blah blah. Hello. You see there are a bunch of people talking here with their experiences. They also have a bunch of experiences about the platform. Okay, some people are getting cool, some people are getting a lot of good reviews about this platform and all that. Okay, so I actually did some screenshots right here from Reddit. Okay, this is some of the screenshots I actually got on what other people are talking about UTest. All right, so I just put that right here. You can see this person saying August of 2017. This is like 3 years ago that this person actually I've been on this platform. August 2017, around $1,000 over the course of about a year, not bad. Okay, this person actually made $1,000 with this particular platform. This other person is saying UTest is a legit site. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you guys is that this platform is actually legit. Okay, that's one thing I am sure of. Okay, this platform is actually legit. A lot of people have good reviews about them. Okay, you can see this one also. It's saying UTest is a legit site. I've made a few $100, okay, through various projects, and I've even worked with even larger companies on one test. Okay, so there are a bunch of reviews right here. A lot of people are saying a lot of good things about UTest. This guy says he has been on a platform for 3 years and he has made around $550, okay, on this platform alone. All right, so there are actually two ways you can earn from this platform. All right, the first one is they have test cases you can claim when you accept to test a product. Okay, you will have to follow the step-by-step procedure in the test cycle. All right, so there are tests you can make, okay, which is the first thing. The second one is reporting bugs. Okay, the payout depends on how valuable the bug is. All right, so the payout actually varies for this particular one, but actually there are two different ways you can earn with UTest. All right, so it's worth checking out, it's worth trying out. And the cool part about this is that they pay via PayPal. Okay, they pay via PayPal twice in a month. All right, every 16th and the end of the month. Okay, which is good, which is amazing. And you can be getting PayPal cash. I know a lot of people want to be getting PayPal money and PayPal cash that they can use to buy stuff. Okay, so you can do this on the side. It's not as if you're doing this as a full-time job. Okay, so when you get money from this, maybe you can reinvest it into something else. Okay, so UTest is actually a cool platform that you can sign up with and start getting PayPal money. All right, so when you come to this project board right here, you can let's just take a look at it real quick. You can see a bunch of projects right here. They have, okay, ongoing project and all that, urgent project. You can see there are a bunch of projects right here that you can jump on and test. And you can see the cool part is that most of these are worldwide. Okay, just like I made mention on this channel, I like sharing worldwide methods. Okay, method everybody can literally jump on to make money online, full-time or on the side. Okay, so this can actually help you make money on the side, okay, and help you earn extra cash via PayPal. All right, if you don't have a PayPal account, all you have to do is just to create a PayPal account, sign up with this platform and start testing. All right, there are other platforms out there that I'm also going to be reviewing as well. So if you click on country right here, you can see they have this section called worldwide. Okay, so all the tags you're going to be seeing right here are going to be worldwide. So you can participate in some of these tags right here. Okay, so to sign up, you can just come to this section right here, click on sign up for free. Okay, it's actually free to sign up. You've put in your details right here, and the sign up process is about 4 different stages. Okay, you just go through the 4 different steps and you'll be on your way. Okay, let me just sign in to my account so you can have an idea of, you can see how the dashboard actually looks like. Okay, so this is what the dashboard actually look like. Okay, once you sign in, okay, this is what you see. You see all projects right here. There are a bunch of projects I can participate on. Okay, I've actually not done anyone yet. Okay, but I can actually just spend like an hour or two, okay, doing some of this service right here and earn extra cash also. Okay, so there are a bunch of projects that you can partake in. Okay, there are so many that you can just jump on and start making money also. So guys, you can see some of the proof right here and what people are talking about this platform and their experiences. Also, you can see people are making money from this platform, and this website has been around for a long time, so it's worth checking out, guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Peace.